That is the coolest. I've never seen a bicycle train like this before.
It's a bicycle train.
Justin, can you snap yourself?
When'd you get that? That thing's cool.
Here, come here, Ed.
It's made it harder for him to learn how to ride on his own.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you got foil doing
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
Just around the driveway.
Oh.
Can we do that for all bikes?
Yeah, sure. Okay, here comes the bike train. That is a funny thing. All right. Look at this. Oh my goodness, he's doing tricks. Oh my gosh. That is too cool.
I'm going.
How are you going to go home, Justin? Well, Justin, that's nice. Good boy.
Don't drop it, Benjamin.
Well, that was something else. That's fun.
Yeah, Benjamin, don't keep
Doesn't it
going.
sleeping?
Where's my mom and grandma?
He just been looking.
Plenty of people to hold, huh?
Yeah, we've had quite a bit of support.
That's great.
That's for sure.
We got to get running. We got a barbecue.
Wow.
See ya, Boo. When your legs are straighter. Okay.
See you later, alligator, when your legs are straighter. Look at that. That was funny.